मेडिकल इमरजेंसी एट शिप और एट होम। देखो यार, व्हाट वुड यू चूज? ऐसे एग्जांपल देते हैं। से देयर इज अ मेडिकल इमरजेंसी एट होम, पापा हैं, भाई है, आप हो, बट देयर इज नो मनी एंड यू कैन नॉट टेक योर लव्ड वन टू द बेस्ट हॉस्पिटल। आप उन्हें सरकारी अस्पताल में लेके जाते हो, गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल। वन ऑप्शन, you are not there, your other family members are there to take there, but you can provide money which is very important so that they can get the best. Ideally तो best यही है कि आप भी रहो and money भी हो, but say if it is not working that way, what would you choose? What would you choose? The first thing where no money but you are there, or second thing where money is there but you are not there? What would you choose, Shoaib? You should be there, then you should not join merchant navy. I'm being honest with you. If you feel, I'm being honest, अभी भी टाइम है, जा सकते हो. If you feel your presence is more important than money, money नहीं है, गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल भी तब भी चलेगा, बट मेरा रहना जरूरी है, then maybe merchant navy is not made for you. Your priority is family, and when family is your priority, then merchant navy takes back seat. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? I'm being dead honest on live as well. For me, my priority was different. कि when my grandmother was ill, my mother died long time back, तो मुझे था even I was on ship, I knew कुछ नहीं, पैसा तो है पापा के पास, बढ़िया लोगों के पास, डॉक्टर का इलाज तो हो जाएगा. And for me it mattered because had I been there with him with no money, I did not know कि मैं कितना काम आता. ये मेरा पर्सनल, and this is my priority. जरूरी नहीं है कि जो मेरी प्रायोरिटी हो शोएब की हो. We are all different, right शोएब? And we have to, but this is my priority. Today I want to be in a position that my father is unwell, I should also be there and money should also be there. So I am on shore and working equally hard. मैं कर रहा हूं ना, अभी मेहनत कर रहा हूं, बिस्तर पे तो नहीं बैठा हूं. So but अभी के लिए अगर घर पे मेडिकल इमरजेंसी होगी एंड इफ यू आर ऑन शिप, देयर आर वेरी लेस चांसेस if ship is in mid ocean that you can come back, and this is something that you and your family needs to know. सपोज कीजिए, ये फैमिली को ये भी समझाना जरूरी है कि हर एक छोटी छोटी बात आप तक शिप पे ना पहुंचे. सपोज घर पे प्रॉब्लम है, पैसे पहुंच रहे हैं, इल है मम्मी, अब घर आज बेटा मम्मी को ये हो गया, आज बेटा मम्मी को ये हो गया, आज बेटा मम्मी को ये हो गया. नो ऑफेंस टू एनीवन, ये मेरा मानना है. आप प्यूरीफायर पे काम करो, ध्यान मम्मी की तरफ, हाथ चला गया अंदर, हाथ कट गया. वी आर वर्किंग लाइव ऑन अ लॉट ऑफ मशीनरीज भाई. नाउ यू आर एट मेडिकल इमरजेंसी वेयर इवन डॉक्टर्स कैन नॉट कम. सही बोल रहा हूं, गलत बोल रहा हूं? I am not making you afraid, but I am giving you, telling you the harsh reality of life. And most important thing is, Shoaib, we need to be prepared for that. Because tomorrow from SMVD Marine Academy, you go unprepared, I will be saying sorry. Make sense? गलत बोल रहा हूं, सही बोल रहा हूं, बताइए. So, हर देखो, for everything there is a cost attached. Say, you buy a Realme phone at a smaller cost, you buy Apple at a higher cost. You go to a government hospital at a smaller cost, you go at a Max or Apollo at a higher cost. Similarly, if you are sure you are getting a job at a lower salary, you took that, or you want higher salary, you go on ship, you sacrifice your time with family. ये है, but again I am putting a but. Why? जरूरी नहीं है कि that you have to sail lifelong. Today I am making a lot of videos on how you can successfully transition from ship to shore. शोएब ने बोला सर मैं 8 to 10 years sailing करूंगा, I'll become a chief engineer, then I want to settle ashore. I want to spend time with my family, my children, my wife, with my aging parents, and I want a good salary as well. Opportunities हैं भाई, there are opportunities today in Noida, Gurgaon, Delhi, Bombay, Chennai, कोलकाता, बहुत सारी जगह पे, और बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज अभी आ भी रही हैं. सो द अपॉर्चुनिटीज विल कीप कमिंग, बट द थिंग इज you need to really work hard for that. Make sense? Chalo. I hope it is clear. Done.